What?
Oh dang, that's my grandma, dude. Stop! Don't make fun of it.
What the freak?
No, don't make fun of it. It's
What
like
the frick? Okay, someone tell me why they have like. What the frick?
Gosh dang it! If Donald Trump was able to ride his wife like that, he would have so much. He would have so much more kids. You know?
Why are you enjoying this so much?
Well, you know,
I'm pretty sure he's photoshopped.
Get out of here! Hurry up!
Skull Trooper costume in a nutshell.
Well, let's just go into Fortnite costumes. Let's see.
Okay, frick it.
After that, did you see that boogie bomb? Dang, that boogie bomb looks like I'd be like snazzy at that party. Oh my god, it's Bright Bomber.
Bright Bomber! Oh my gosh!
If I saw you like that at school, dang, I'd be like, dang,
freaking
what snazzy shoes.
$49.99.
Hey, don't make fun of it. I think it comes with that snazzy shoes right there. Look at them. Look at those.
Oh,
look,
your
look
grandma's
kicks.
shoes.
Bro, cuddle team leaders. I didn't see you there. Look at
how derpy their faces.
I mean, look how hairy they are. Look how hairy they are. I think they need to shave.
Gross.
Since we're big anime fans, we have to watch this.
Wait,
you spelled it wrong. It's Goku. Like
wait.
It's G-O-K-U.
Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm having trouble. Costume.
So let's just check this out. Oh my god, if I had these costumes when I was a 2-year-old, I would literally just try to like go underwater for like 4 seconds and hope that I see this thing.
So I was scrolling down. I'm on Goku.
Deadpool, gosh dang, when did he become Goku? Like, holy smokes.
Wait, who is Marbles Rubies? Ruby.
Okay, let's just go somewhere else real quick. Okay, so these are the best Goku costumes. Now let's search up some Naruto costumes just for the heck of it. So let's just go into this and let's just see. Oh dang, when did Naruto get so nice looking in this in this joint?
Wait, that's a guy.
Look how fancy.
Wait, okay, just look at all the.
Woo!
Okay,
woo!
We are not furries. Just
Woo! Dang, we're not.
Why
furries.
Is there so many of the same?
So let's just search this back up. I hope that we don't have to see that thing again. But here's what you should get if you do go on to here. You should get this, but I wouldn't get. I mean, it comes with a lot of things for just like $60. Like, look at that. Look. It's not even. It's even Naruto's wallet and the head. Fake
like
kunai knives. That's even the example. The bandages for it. And then here's the snazzy shoes. I don't know if I could get those kicks. Those kicks. Let's just search up Yeezys. Let's just search up Yeezys real quick.
Yeezys?
So you guys wanted to see my Yeezys? Here they are.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
Totally
If I got these shoes when I was like 5 or 7, I'd be like rolling down my school. Like, see this thing?
And then you would jump in mud puddles.
I mean, like, look, these are so cool. Like, if I wish I had these. If you guys just like, oh my gosh, like, look, it's even like bisexual for this thing. Like, ooh, it's like gender neutral. There you go. There we go. Okay, so look at this orange one. Let's go. This, if I had these ones, I'd be snazzy. So, yeah. Well,
look at those socks, though.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha.
Well, thanks for watching.